Accident statistics and risk assessments show that maintenance operations frequently expose people to risks that are much higher when compared to other work tasks. Indeed, it's often when people are performing maintenance that things go wrong, either to those doing it or to others. Official guidance tells us that maintenance-related accidents are widespread and can happen in organisations with apparently well-designed environments, good safety records, and often involve experienced employees. For example, in a recent incident, a technician working for a well-known UK-based manufacturing company got his arm caught in an automated machine whilst carrying out a fault-finding task. He was badly hurt. The factory involved is a very modern environment, with the latest safety protection systems, including interlock guarding. Despite state-of-the-art hardware, something clearly went badly wrong. And so in this programme, we will explore the factors that underpin this and just about every other maintenance-related accident. So what do we mean by maintenance tasks? Well, it includes activities such as the installation, decommissioning, repair, fault finding, unblocking, cleaning, adjusting, or setting of plant, machinery or tools. This is a wide range of activities, and as such, many of us are involved in maintenance tasks at some point, however briefly. So let's look at why the risks increase, how maintenance-related accidents happen, and what we can all do to control the risks and stay safe.